It's me, Amara. I hope all is well with you. I'm not going to be on here long. This is going to be a very short video. But there's something that I really have to say. To the person who came in my comment pretending to be someone else, I truly hope that you find peace and happiness within yourself. You know, we work really hard to build our brands. And it's not fair for someone to come around and tear them down. So before you go and put a comment under someone else's video, I truly hope that you stop and think, is this something I would want someone to do to me? Well, that's all I really have to say for tonight. I hope you're blessed. Love and light. Good night.